Struggling to find a conditioner that truly hydrates your scalp and hair without harsh chemicals? Head Shoulders Royal Oils Moisture Renewal Conditioner offers a rich, creamy formula designed specifically to restore moisture and balance scalp health from the very first use. Whether your hair is natural, relaxed, kinky, or coily, this conditioner delivers lasting nourishment that transforms dry, brittle strands into touchably soft, healthy hair. What makes this conditioner stand out is its expert blend, free from sulfates, parabens, and dyes, ensuring gentle care without irritation. Infused with coconut oil, it not only refreshes your scalp but also leaves behind a subtle, fresh coconut scent that feels like a mini escape during every wash day. Users across the United States report feeling the difference immediately, noticeably softer hair and a scalp that feels balanced and soothed after just one use. With regular application, it's proven to protect your scalp's moisture barrier, helping you maintain healthy hair growth and scalp comfort. If you're ready to upgrade your hair care routine with a conditioner that truly understands the needs of natural and textured hair, this is worth a look. Head Shoulders Royal Oils Moisture Renewal Conditioner offers what you get: deep hydration, scalp relief, and a boost of confidence in your hair's health. Try it when you're ready to experience lasting moisture and scalp care that fits your lifestyle.